Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you holding up? I'm going to put this fall and winter reading list on both channels. For my scratch, kitchen, and home people, it's going to be October when I start doing videos because we moved into this house. Right off the bat, we had an $11,000 plumbing repair that had to be done. And then we had a wasp invasion. Yeah, apparently wasps built a nest in our laundry room, and eventually we gotta have one of the support footings repaired on that. Yay, home ownership, right? It's gonna be worth it in the end. But this is just my primary reading list for the winter, fall and winter. It's gonna be this year. I actually started this like back in May. And I haven't really had time to get back to it. This is another one I'm going to read. Going Home. 1 second after, I actually learned about this book, this writer, William Forsythe, from Lisa Sutton and Sutton Days. She highly recommends this book. She's got like 3 more. It's the final day. There's one 5 years later, a year later. You know, basically those type of things. It's gonna be good. And I actually came across her years ago when I was in junior high. Gene Sassoon was on Phil Donahue. Not a joke. And she did the Princess Trilogy. I don't know if you can see real well over there. But she did, it's on the Arabic, Saudi Princess. There's 3 of them in it, and she has several books. I'm eventually gonna get through the rest of them, but these are the main ones. For Love of a Son, 1 Second After, Going Home, and CIA Destroying America. I will see you guys later.